Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of Litify. Now this video will have everything you need to know about Litify and how it functions as a legal practice management software. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the Litify website, and you can access this by typing in litify.com or just by searching Litify on your browser. Here you can already log in if you already have an account. But if not, then you're going to have to request a demo first, as they don't really offer a free trial account. But if you request a demo right here, you're just going to fill in the details. So your work email, first name, last name, company headquarters location, number of users, and what best describes your legal team. And then you can request your personalized demo. And then from there, you can find out how Litify can help your business and start with your account using their software. So that's for setting up your Litify. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on what info we can gather and what we can learn from Litify and its software based on observing or gathering info on their website. So before we begin, Litify is a legal practice management platform built on Salesforce. This is designed to help law firms and legal departments manage their workflows, improve efficiency, and deliver better outcomes. So here, Litify boasts to be the legal platform designed for high performance. So Litify's all-in-one legal software empowers law firms and in-house teams to achieve repeated success by continually standardizing, measuring, and improving their operations. So if we click on this "What is Litify?" question, it should give us a nice video, or what do you call this, introduction video about Litify. So you can see Litify demo, a powerful legal operating solution and business transformation. All right, so from there you can just check out what else Litify has to offer here. So introducing Litify AI, Litify has announced the availability of Litify AI and a roadmap of continued AI innovation focused on driving efficiencies in legal case and document management. So you can read more about it here. You can also see a number of legal teams that are utilizing Litify right here, if you're familiar with these legal teams across the industry. There's also here we have the sample preview of the Litify dashboard for your computer and mobile as well. So it's nice to see that they have a mobile app, which is beneficial for on the go, for legal teams who are on the go and they need to access their data, the reports, anything they need to access within the software. It's available for them on the go. All right, so let's try to discuss the key features of Litify. So right here, first up, we have matter management. So matter management gives a centralized platform to manage access and matters from intake to resolution. You also have access to customizable workflows to fit the needs of different practice areas, including personal injury, mass torts, or corporate legal. You also have access to automated task assignments and reminders for team collaboration. Now for client relationship management, or CRM, the integrated Salesforce-powered CRM of Litify is there to track and manage client interactions. You also have access to tools to nurture client relationships and improve communication. This also automates client follow-ups and notifications to enhance customer service. Now for document management, you have access to secure document storage with organization by case or client. There's also document generation tools to create standardized legal forms, letters, and contracts. For intake management, there's a simplified client intake process with customizable forms and workflows. Lead tracking to optimize conversions and prioritize high-value cases. For task and workflow automation, You can automate repetitive administrative tasks to save time and minimize human error. There's also pre-built workflows for case, milestones, billing, and communications. Now, for billing and financial management, you have tools for time tracking, invoicing, and expense management. Integrations are also available with accounting platforms like QuickBooks and LawPay. For analytics and reporting, dashboards and reports are there to track case progress, staff performance, and financial metrics. There's also real time data visualization for informed decision making. Collaboration tools are also present for internal chat and communication tools for seamless team collaboration. You also have access to shared calendars and task boards to coordinate efforts across departments. When it comes to integrations and flexibility, again, since Litify is built on Salesforce, this enables robust integrations with other Salesforce apps. It also supports integrations with tools like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and e-discovery platforms. Also, Litify is cloud-based and has mobile access. So, Litify is fully cloud-based for secure remote access from anywhere, and it also has a mobile-friendly interface, as you've seen a while ago, to manage cases and access documents on the go. So those are the key features of Litify. And here are some other solutions designed for high volume legal practices. So these practices include personal injury, insurance defense, immigration, claims litigation, and in house. Some services here. So migration, configuration, training, community, and support. You can explore there's more services right over here if you want to check that out. So here, world-class implementation from one of their expert partners. So implement, our team of industry experts are qualified implementation partners will help you shape better processes as you configure the Litify platform for your team. There's training. Accelerate, our team of Salesforce experts will work with you to further customize and configure Litify for your business needs. And dedicated customer success resources help ensure you receive the results you signed up for with routine check-ins and proactive support. All right, you can also check out the Litify community here just to get a feel of how they work, how they function, and you can also learn from them what benefits and how they utilize Litify to better their business and better their legal team. So you have support and resources right over here, services, community, resources, and events. Anything you want to check out. If you want to check out their products, you can also access them right here. So Litify platform, you can explore the platform right over here. Take the product tour. Here are some enterprise solutions. We've seen this a while ago. Law firm solutions, this one as well. Now for customers, I believe these are just some testimonials and articles if you want to read those. Then the resources here, you have blog, events, community, and of course if you want to check their pricing to get started with Litify, you can check this out. So Litify pricing packages designed for your legal business. So you can either select it for law firms or in-house teams. Just reach out to their sales team to get into an agreement of what best fits your needs. And then you have some platform extensions right over here for e-billing, intake management, and document management. This is their integration ecosystem as well. So you can see that it's pretty extensive and there's a lot to go on with. There's a lot to work with their software, making your legal practice much easier and convenient. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.